Rose Buds, welcome back to another Nava Rose video. I don't know why my voice is so raspy today. You're gonna have to bear with that this whole video. This is another meeting for the Itty Bitty Titty Committee from your vice president because, as you all know, I'm not gonna be president because being president is way too much work, so I would like to be vice president. Thank you. I love sharing tips and tricks on how to work with a small chest, outfit ideas of what you can wear, and today I wanted to share some 5 tips and 5 practices that have helped me to gain confidence when having a small chest. Because honestly, that's one of the most asked questions I ever get is, Nava, how do you have so much confidence even though you don't have the body that society deems as hot or beautiful or sexy? Like I've said in a lot of my previous videos, I did not have this confidence before. I was very insecure about my small chest. I just didn't like it and I wanted bigger boobs, obviously. I just want to let you know that I was not always like this, and it did take a lot of time and patience for me to build up the confidence to where I am today. But there is one moment that I do want to share. I'm not sure if I shared it in my previous video before. This Playboy playmate told me, you don't need to have the body of a playmate to be sexy or to feel sexy. Anyone can wear the same exact dress, whether you're skinny, you're thick, you have big boobs, small boobs, whatever body type. As long as they have the confidence, they will rock that dress and look just as sexy as a playmate. And ever since I've heard that, it has stuck with me since. It's probably been like 10 years. So thank you, Cheers Barrett, for giving me that cute little pep talk, because it's something that clicked in my head and I fully believe in it, and that's definitely helped me to get to where I am now. Just wanted to share some quick and easy 5 practices that I did to help myself feel more cute and sexy and gain more confidence. So the first thing I can recommend to gaining more confidence with the body type that you have is to learn the perks of having a small chest. I probably won't list them and dive too deep into them because I have done it multiple times on my channel, so I will link it up here and down in the description. No matter what size chest you have, there's always going to be pros and there's always going to be cons. Like, there's a ton of pros to having a small chest. I love those prawns. Like shrimp prawns? Did I just try to merge pros and cons? Like I was saying, there are a ton of pros and perks to having small chests, and I think that is one of the reasons that really helped me and be like, you know what? No, I don't need a bigger chest to feel beautiful. And it was because I learned all these really cool perks about my small chest. That is like one of the most important parts, is to learn the great things about yourself, because that is what will make you feel better, because you'll read all these great things. Knowing the benefits and knowing all the great things that you have is the first most important step on the path to loving yourself. All right, number 2 is a physical one. You got to look yourself in the mirror and tell yourself that you are beautiful and that you love your body. It sounds weird, I know, but I started to do it and it actually helped me. Like, I love myself already, but like, it also helps to love me even more. It's not even possible. I don't know. All you gotta do is just look yourself dead ass in the mirror and be like, you are beautiful. You are a bad bitch. You are hot. You are sexy. Just start speaking affirmations to yourself, but looking yourself in the mirror and then just feeling it. Like, you'll eventually start to feel it and start to become it, because the more that you speak it out into the universe, the more it's gonna happen, you know? Because you do not need anyone else to tell you that you are beautiful other than you yourself telling yourself whoa, that was a lot. Except besides you telling yourself that you are beautiful. You don't need a man or a woman to be confirming your beauty and to be confirming how pretty you are and how cute you are. All you need is yourself. You know, sometimes you could get lost with yourself. Sometimes you need people to be telling you what you want to hear. Just wake up in the morning, tell yourself some great affirmations in the mirror, and you'll be good to go. It literally takes no more than 10 seconds. It might be a little weird at first because you're having a conversation with yourself. I don't know if I'm just used to it. I'm pretty sure I look crazy because I'm just having conversations with myself. But you know what? I'm basically having a conversation with a camera. I don't have boobs, and I know that's one aspect that a lot of guys look for or like they're attracted to, and I do not have a chest at all. I'm literally a 32A. So I do get a little insecure because I'm like, well, I don't look like a lot of girls and I don't have a chest or anything. However, I have the confidence, and because I have the confidence, I can pull guys. So you do not need a chest or a specific body type to flirt with guys, because at the end of the day, if the guy is wanting you for your boob size or anything like that, then trash. Hello. I am eventually gonna find a man that does not care about my boob size and just loves me for me, and it's gonna be great. Y'all are all invited to the wedding. So you just gotta accept the fact that you do not look like everyone. Everyone does not not look like each other. Everyone has different body types, different bra sizes, different thigh sizes, different butt sizes. Everyone just looks different, and everyone is beautiful in their own way. All right, number 3, you gotta treat yourself and step into some lingerie. This is my complete honest opinion, but I think it is very, very, very important that everyone has at least one pair of sexy lingerie. Now, I'm not just saying that because I'm the girly girl type. Trust me, I used to think it's so dumb for people to buy lingerie. I would pass by all of these lingerie stores and be like, who would want to spend over $50 for just a bra and panties? Like, ew, it's gonna be under your clothes. Like, no one's gonna see it anyways. Why spend all that money? Just go to the store around the corner and get a bra and panties for like $10. It's not that serious. That was so me like 5 years ago, until I actually bought a sexy lingerie set, and then I wore it and I just instantly felt like a bad bee. Like, I just felt so good. I was like, oh my gosh. Now I see how important it is to do this for yourself and just treat yourself, because there's something about putting on lingerie and then seeing yourself in the mirror and just looking at yourself. There's something so empowering about it, and it just makes you feel good. It's kind of hard to explain right now if you've never done it, but if you've never done it, give it a try, please. I promise you will open your eyes, because it sure did with me. It's like when you put it on, there's like this realization that, damn, you're sexy, like you're fire. This is literally you, just with some lace wrapped around you, and you look hot. That really helped me in my confidence, just knowing that I don't need to do anything to my body to make me feel sexy. And just that little boost will help your confidence grow so much. And speaking of lingerie, I'm gonna be doing a quick haul for you from some new lingerie pieces that I got from Savage X Fenty, who are the sponsors of today's video. I'm really excited to do this mini haul because I absolutely love Savage X Fenty. I love everything that they're about and what they stand for as a brand, because like what I said earlier, is that you could be just as sexy as what society thinks is hot, and it doesn't matter your size. And that's pretty much what Savage X Fenty is all about too. They offer all of these really cute styles. It ranges from lingerie, sleepwear, loungewear, and now they also have men's, which is really, really cool. And one of my favorite things is that they have all-inclusive sizing, which means they run from extra small all the way up to 3X and a 32A to a 42H. I am literally the smallest size that they have. And also I love them because my one and only, my queen Rihanna, founded this brand, and I literally love everything that comes out of her beautiful brain. Okay, so let's start with this mini haul. So the first thing is actually this bodysuit that I am wearing. It's just so pretty. The fit is perfect. I've been loving this scallop lace. Yeah, she's a really cute bodysuit. Okay, so the next pieces that we have are the lacy, not racy, unlined bra and Brazilian panty. And I actually really like underwire in these bras because it is very sheer, and because it's lace, there isn't much support. So that one little wire underneath helps to support my boobs, and for some reason it just makes my boobs look really good. And surprisingly, the underwire is pretty comfortable. Savage X Fenty also offers this extra VIP membership that I think is completely worth it, because right now they're offering these really good deals for their new VIP members. So from November 1st to November 25th, you could get 2 bras for only $29 plus 60% off everything. Then starting November 26th up until December 1st, they have their Black Friday sale, which I think is one of the best deals that they've ever had, and that is 65% off site-wide plus free shipping. I'm just so excited. So definitely take advantage of that, because I definitely will, especially because it is holiday season right now. I think lingerie is a really good gift for someone that's really close to you and that you love so much. Next, we have the lacy, not racy cropped cami and the shorts, and it has this really high slit that I am so completely obsessed with. I don't have shorts like this at all. I paired it with the cropped ruffle cami, and it's just so dainty. What I really love is that Savage X Fenty has different styles, and they don't really come in sets, so you can mix and match. You could wear this with the bra or this with the panties, and you could just swap them out and create different looks. So talking a little bit more about the VIP program, it is a membership unlike any other monthly memberships that you've heard of or that you are familiar with. So in this membership, there is no commitment to buy, and there's no minimum amount that you have to spend each month. Plus, if you don't want to shop, you can totally skip that month in the membership and you won't get charged at all. The great thing is that you could skip as many times as you want. But if you accidentally forgot to skip, then you will get charged for that $50 fee. But the great thing is that charge will then turn into store credit that you can use for shopping later on. I personally think that's amazing. I don't know any other membership that actually does that, because I'm always going to be buying lingerie. So if I forget to skip a month and then it turns into store store credit, then this is money that you would have basically spent anyway. So it works out. All right, if you're not too comfortable with going straight into the lace and the cutouts and the sexy lingerie, you can start off with the little basic ones that they have on the Savage X Fenty site. When I put them on, I feel just as cute in them. It's not too scandy in my opinion, so this would be a great start. This is a nice little bralette cami with the front ruching, and then I paired it with these panties that have little butt ruching on the back as well. So cute because it ties in a bow, and they also have a little Savage X velvet detail on the side. We also have the open back lace up leggings, so they don't only offer bras and undies and lingerie, they actually have leggings too. So this is really cute because I love the lace up detail in the back. They just look like regular leggings, but you know, they have that little sexy factor in the back, like, ooh, that's so cute. All right, so now we have this set. This is the Velvet Hearts cutout bralette and leggings. These are actually one of Rihanna's picks from the website. They have these heart cutouts with little mesh and rhinestones around the hearts. They have it on both the bralette boobs and then on the back of the butt as well. These actually look like your regular cute little lounge set. Then they have these really sexy cutouts. Also, they're crotchless. Tell me why I did not know that these were crotchless right at first. I was wearing them and I was like, wait, feels very airy down there. And then I realized that they were crotchless. How I didn't realize that when I was putting them on, I don't know. They are bedroom friendly. So it's like you could work out, lounge around the house, but then also do the duty if you need to. I don't know. I'm just making up scenarios in my head, which is probably inappropriate right now. So I will stop. Like I said, they don't only have lingerie, they actually have loungewear and sleepwear as well. This is such a cool little pajama onesie. I never knew I could look like a bad bee while wearing a onesie. And also I really appreciate how well these clothes are made. If you just look at the little drawstring cap, do they really need to do all this for a onesie? No, but they did, and I appreciate it so much. All right, so I saved my favorite set for last, and that is the Savage Not Sorry unlined lace bra and high leg Brazilian panty. It's my favorite out of the whole haul. There's something about it that just makes me feel so pretty. The bra, I don't know, it just makes my 32A look great. How they did that, I don't know, because it's just lace. But they did that. Y'all did that. Oh, and it's so cute because they have this cute little rose gold logo here on the bra and on the front of the panty as well. Like I said, the detail that goes into this, I love this so much. But yeah, there's something about it that just makes me feel so pretty and sexy. If I could wear it out in public, I totally would. That would be inappropriate. But you know what? I'm gonna try to find a way to do it anyways. So that's it for my little quick lingerie haul. To check out all the cute Savage X Fenty styles, don't forget to click the link in my description box. All right, so moving on to the list, at number 4, we have icons. What helped me personally is seeing some of my favorite icons that have the same body type as me and seeing how successful and how confident they are. When you just have someone to look up to, someone that is just loving themselves and loving their body, it's just encouraging and it's inspiring, and that's what helped me a lot. So for example, Ariana Grande is one of my favorites in the whole entire world. I absolutely love her so much. She is just everything, and she is winning at life. And even though she is like one of the top female artists, she doesn't have a really big chest, and that actually helped me to realize like Ariana doesn't have a big chest. Like you don't need to have a big chest in this entertainment world to make it big and be successful, because look at Ariana Grande. Just seeing her slaying was very inspiring to me, because I'm like, you know what, if Ariana could do it, I could do it. And other icons that I love so much that also do have a small chest is Emma Watson. Love her to freaking death. She's like one of my favorite people. And also Vanessa Hudgens. I feel like I have the same body type as Vanessa Hudgens. That has also been very inspiring, seeing other girls in this entertainment and celebrity world kill it without having a big chest. Because, you know, especially living in LA, you just see so many people that have like really big boobs, tiny waist, and then a big butt and like really nice legs. And so it's kind of hard and a little discouraging to be like, well, I don't look like that. Am I Hollywood standards? No, I'm not Hollywood standards. There are tons of girls out there, especially in this entertainment world, that don't have a big chest at all. However, most of them don't have a big chest, but they're also really skinny, really nice, thin fit legs, basically model type, you know? And I am absolutely not like that at all. I have a small chest. I have a decent waist, but I have really thick thighs for my size. Yeah, definitely not model type. So it's kind of hard for me to look up to them because I don't have that body type. I don't look like that. So that's why I love looking at like Emma Watson and Ariana Grande and Vanessa Hudgens. I feel like I could relate to them more because of their body type. Like they were able to get so far and be so successful and didn't need to get a boob job or fix their boobs or do anything, you know? Not sure if they did or did not. So correct me if I'm wrong, but it looks like they didn't to me. I'm not sure. I didn't really Google it or look into it yet. Continually being inspired by other people has helped me a lot. All right, so the fifth and final step and practice that I like to use that helped me gain more confidence, and that is to try on different outfits that are perfect for your body type or outfits that are perfect for small chest. I have so many outfit idea videos for small chest. As being someone that is in this fashion world, I think it's so important to be able to know how to dress your body because you want to learn how to show off your body parts in the most flattering way possible, because clothes can actually make you feel better. When you try on new outfits, you're able to see what you do and don't like and what works with your body type. And once you find an outfit or a style that really suits you and something that you like and that makes you feel good, you'll slowly start to gain more confidence and want to wear more of that item or want to wear more of that style, and you'll slowly learn to love yourself and love the body that you're in. That's what has helped me. Definitely experimenting with different outfits and just playing with my fashion sense. Through that, I was able to realize like, hey, I could wear these really cool bras and bralettes as tops. I have a small chest, so it's not too scandy and too in your face and too like risque. Once I realized that I really like wearing bralettes as tops, I started to experiment more with my fashion. That is like a first-hand experience of what actually helped me gain confidence. It takes a lot to want and be comfortable in wearing a freaking bra in public as a top, you know, but I've gone to that point because I was trying to see what works and what doesn't work and what made me feel good and what made me feel sexy and what made me feel happy. And wearing bralettes as tops was one of them. So that's just one aspect that really helped me. Just trying on all these like new things with fashion when I was trying to figure out how to work with my small chest. It not only helped me gain confidence in loving my small chest, but it also helped my fashion sense as well. My eyes were just being open to all these new ideas and concepts and outfit ideas. Not only will it help you with gaining confidence, but it will help you in all these other aspects in your life as well. All right, my rosebuds, so that completes my 5 steps to helping gain more confidence. These were like the 5 top steps that helped me gain confidence, so I really hope it helps you all as well. Also, these steps do not only apply to small chest. They could apply to anyone who wants to gain confidence, whether it's for your broad shoulders or thick thighs or small feet. Remember, F what society thinks, because everyone is beautiful in their own way. So if anyone tells you otherwise and tells you that you're ugly or that you have mosquito bites for a chest, just take those negative comments and just show them that, you know what, those negative comments did not affect me because I'm a bad bitch. And with all that being said, I personally love my small chest, but that doesn't mean everyone loves their small chest. So if you don't love your small chest and you are contemplating on getting a bigger chest and you feel that bigger boobs will make you feel happy and make you feel better, then totally go for it. Like, all the power to you. I have nothing against plastic surgery or getting work done or anything like that. The only thing I ever have to say about that, I've said it before and I will say as many times if need be, is that please only get your boobs done or get any work done for you and you only. Just you and yourself, no one else. I personally wouldn't recommend doing it for any man or any woman, or to be liked, or any pressure from society or TV, media, anything making you feel that you need to get work done on your body. If you're feeling pressure from anywhere outside that's not in here, then just keep that in mind, because I personally feel like love and beauty comes from within. So as long as you feel beautiful on the inside, then I feel that you can also exude that energy outwardly as well. And yeah, I guess that ends our Itty Bitty Titty Committee meeting for today. If you all want to connect with me on social media, all my socials are at the Nava Rose, except for TikTok, which is at the.navarose. If you enjoyed my little small chest confidence video, then feel free to check out this video right here, where I show you different outfit ideas of what you can and cannot wear. Until next time, my rosebuds, I love you all so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!